B1. A daily Stoic call to action. Waste no more time arguing what a good person should be. B1. Marcus Aurelius. Let that land. Right now, not later. Not when you're wiser, less tired, or more ready. Now. This isn't philosophy for debate. It's a knife through the fog of your hesitation. How often do you spin in circles? Should I? Could I? What if? Arguing ideals, polishing excuses, imagining some perfect version of good that never asks anything real of you today. Marcus cuts it short. Stop talking, start being. Why does this work? First, it kills delay. No more hiding behind theories. Stoicism lives in practice. In the next choice you make, the next word you speak. Second, it puts the power back in your hands. You define good through action, not intention, not wishful thinking. Action. Third, it's for this moment, not tomorrow, not when it's easy. Now. Virtue, wisdom, courage, justice, temperance is measured in what you do when it costs you something. Use this quote like an alarm. When you're overthinking instead of doing, be one. When perfectionism paralyzes you, be one. When you know the right thing but fear holds you back, be one. This is your reminder. Your character isn't built in grand declarations. It's forged in small, stubborn acts of integrity. Today. So ask yourself, what's one thing, right now, this hour, where I can be the good I argue about? Is it patience, a hard truth, a withheld complaint, an act of kindness? Do it. Not later. Now. That's how philosophy becomes flesh. That's how you turn words into will. How to use this daily. 1. Morning. Recite it within 10 minutes of waking. Let B1 define your day's intent. 2. Trigger moments. When hesitation strikes, whisper B1 and act within 10 seconds. 3. Evening reflection. Ask, where did I be today? Where did I argue instead? This quote isn't inspiration. It's a provocation. Let it move your feet, not just your thoughts. The Stoics taught not how to escape life, but how to embrace it. Start with what you can control. Start with yourself. Subscribe for more timeless wisdom.